Yo, yo, here we go. The fastest bullets travel at 1,800 miles per hour. Rockets are supposed to travel at 17,600 miles per hour to leave the Earth. Ladies and gentlemen, space travel isn't real. Reclaim your mind, research flat Earth, okay? This is all make-believe, okay? And then they claim, oh, it's got to reach 25,000 miles an hour to escape the Earth's gravity and all this crazy shit. These bastards would never be able to survive if they went that fast. And plus, they don't go that fast. You can look at the shuttle when it takes off, and it's not going that fast. So, I mean, that's insane. Here you go. You got your dome. Water's above, water's below. And your firmament showeth, the handiwork. So this is how it works. This is how you get your rainbow, light reflects, so forth. Welcome to the Thunderdome. 2 men enter, 1 man leaves. Shove that shit in your face. And again, they have the lightning here within the dome. And the lightning separates the air, and when it claps back together, it echoes off the dome. It's pressurized inside. That's why you have to have a firmament. And they put that right in our faces. NASA's official Earth image 2012, 2013. Do we have any brains here at all? And can we tell any difference here in size? Flat Earth. Flat Earth. The first step is realizing you have the pattern. So when you look at the golden mean ratio and the Fibonacci ratio, it's proof that none of this can be an accident or a mistake. This is how the hologram works. You see the Fibonacci golden mean ratio and everything because that's how the hologram works. That's how the hologram works. It's all just a big fucking coincidence, right? Satanic world government, right? Big coincidence, right? And here we go. This is the, basically, this is flat Earth. Flat Earth. Made of cat Earth. I'm sorry, cat Earth. It's not a flat Earth, it's a cat Earth. The wheel in the sky keeps on turning. Yep, the wheel in the sky keeps on turning. The firmament keeps on turning. Round and round it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Here you go, religion, and then Carl Sagan with the Cosmos series, Religion 2.0. As for photos, all the evidence you need. What else will you believe in? What else will you believe in? That's all you need? It's crazy shit. Both of these look pretty fucking fake to me. When all is in place, the reality we will have created for them will own them. This reality will be their prison. They will live in self-delusion. So this is their proof. This is all you need to do to tell these morons they landed on a moon. You show it on TV, announce it to all, and they believe it. They go to the next level, they believe it. Spherical warriors, here they are, defending Spaceballs. And he's just a prop. They're all props. The current state of knowledge can be summarized thus. In the beginning there was nothing which exploded. This is what they're selling the retards. Evolution. Big Bang Theory. You can't make it up. They have to make up shows called The Big Bang Theory. So the more fake it is, the more they shove it in your face. Just think about that. Let that sink in. The more fake it is, the more they constantly shove this shit in your face. Moonshine on Earth. No moonshine on the moon. Because it's a fucking basement. You won't need to fake it again if you never go back. Speed of sound, 768 miles per hour. Speed of Earth, 1,040. The Earth is moving faster than the speed of sound, but we feel nothing. It's ridiculous. There's a treaty protecting Antarctica, and you still don't think there's anything to look into? Look into it. I'll believe anything, no matter how wild and ridiculous, if there's evidence for it. The wilder and more ridiculous something is, however, the firmer and more solid the evidence will have to be. So, look at this tweaker shelter evidence of nonsense. It has to be very compelling. This is not. This is nothing. This is a tweaker shelter. This is tinfoil, curtain rods, plastic. None of this is gonna keep a I mean, it's embarrassing if they try to sell everybody this shit. Oh, I stepped in it and shit. Yep, moon landings. Stepped in shit. Flat earthers will claim that this pic is fake. And they tell you it's fake. When people ask me what I think about aliens, I tell them to look at the first 4 letters. They're a lie. Do you feel the rotation? Of course not. According to Medical News Today, about 33% of people are susceptible to motion sickness, even in mild circumstances, such as being on a boat in calm water, although nearly 66% of people are susceptible in more severe conditions. That's awkward. We're supposed to be spinning at 1,000 miles an hour and nobody seems to get sick. Aww. What happened to their motion sickness? They go out on a boat and next thing you know they're sick, but they're doing 1,000 miles an hour? Come on, people. Give me a break. NASA images are cartoons, Carl. They're all fucking cartoons. NASA and modern astronomy tell us the sun happens to be 400 times the moon's diameter and 400 times as far away, and that the coincidence means the sun and moon appear to be the same size when viewed from Earth. Definition of Occam's razor, a scientific and philosophical rule that entities should not be multiplied unnecessarily, which is interpreted as requiring that the simplest of competing theories be preferred to the more complex, or that explanations of unknown phenomena be sought first in terms of known quantities. So using Occam's razor, what's more probable and sensical? That the sun and moon are completely different sizes, that by chance just so happen to be an exact distance to appear of equal size, or do they appear to be equal size because they fucking are? Burden of proof. Research flat earth. Is the earth flat? Research flat earth, people. Do your own research. Haven't you ever seen a NASA picture, bro? It's photoshopped, but it has to be. NASA employee Robert Simon. It is photoshopped. They tell you it's cartoons, and then they tell you it has to be. And then you got to argue with these idiots that said they saw a picture of Earth. It's what we're dealing with. And then they tell you they see a curve, and it doesn't exist. I'm not saying it's fake, but it's fake. Your CGI pictures are fake. How can 99.9% of the population be wrong about the globe? This person's ignorant, and these people blindly trust the dumb cunt. That's how. When you're searching for real pictures of Earth from space, but you can't find any. The incredible year 1968, where it rained everywhere, all over Earth at once. So fucking ridiculously fake, people. They buy this shit. They're so dumb. These idiots think this shit's real. We're dealing with morons that think this shit's real. These idiots. The Earth doesn't always show curvature, but when it does, it's on movies or TV using a GoPro lens. Okay, again, everybody's known that there's an Earth and a firmament above. It's flat. Everybody's known this for thousands of years. NASA comes along and tells you you're living on Planet Cock now. And you believe them. You go to the next level. Disregard thousands of years of, practical knowledge. Just like Einstein throwing out evidence of relativity. The ether. And, here you go, look. All this shit, see this? CGI. Cartoon, computer-generated images. CGI. Houston, I think we have a problem. Excuse me, globe lover, do you have any first-hand evidence? No! NASA live feed. Uh-oh. We got us some 007 live feed here. Tinfoil hat theorist. It's an enclosed system. I'm telling you, you can't leave. Getting high on CGI. Wage slaves. I don't know how this got in here. I'm supposed to sum a truth alert. Wage slaves buying shit they don't need with money they don't have. The more they spend, the more they're in debt. The more they're in debt, the more they work. The more they work, the more they borrow. The more they borrow, the more they spend. It's a vicious cycle of ignorance. The magic of satellites. They never get hit with space debris. They never collide with other satellites. They never break down or need servicing. They don't melt in the thermosphere when their melting points say they should. And there isn't a single real photo of one in space. And you never see them cross the surface of the moon. You never see them in their fake spacewalks. It goes on and on. It's pretty nuts. So where's your gravity now? Where's gravity now? Why? Why? The Earth is not a globe. 100 Proofs that the Earth is not a globe by W.M. Carpenter. Check it out. 1895. Check it out. You should check it out. The youngest man to ever walk on the moon is now 81 years old. Mull that over for a while. Never been back since 72. Went 6 times from 69 to 72. Was in a space race with fucking Russia or the Soviet Union back then. All of a sudden, we go 6 times from fucking 69 to 72 and we never go back again. Hey. If you never go back, we never have to fake it again. Right? Pretty fucking easy. Research flat Earth. Australia, the land down and over, not under, dumb fucks. These morons actually believe that gravity's holding motherfuckers to a ball that's spinning at 1,000 miles an hour and they're upside down. And you can't make this shit up. Okay, here we go. Coriolis effect says the Earth spins under a sniper's bullet, right? But it doesn't spin under these balloons for some reason, right? That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. Same exact clouds, 1978, not 2012. Okay. Now watch. Get your same cloud here. Same cloud here. Same cloud coming around here. See the cloud coming down here. See the same cloud here. And they love you. So here's these soldiers on a table. This is a flat table. Now as you go away from them, look. The bottom of them disappear first because it's called perspective. Stupid fucks. If the Earth was flat, I'll be able to see the bottoms of distant buildings. Wrong. Dumb fucks. You're dumb as fuck. That's what's wrong. You're dumb. Talking astronauts on the moon, 1969, 238,000 miles away, 0 second delay. Talking astronauts on the ISS 2017, only 240 miles away, 11-second delay. What the fuck? Official NASA images of Earth from space. You have to be physically blind or mentally blind to not see the huge differences. The number one reason people believe in the ball Earth is they think there are images of Earth from space. NASA admitted on their own website Robert Simmons used Photoshop to create the blue marble image. Visit it for an extraordinary amount of hard evidence that disproves the ball Earth. This is the moon shining its own light. The moon shining its own light. The moon on a studio set, not shining its own light. Right? Please like, share, and subscribe. Much love.